Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can increase or decrease the segments of 3D objects you add on LibreOffice Draw. So let us dive into this. Head over to your drawing with the 3D object. If you don't know how to add or insert one, you may use the 3D objects tab here on the left hand side in the toolbar. Click into the drop-down menu and select, for example, I don't know, a cylinder, a sphere, or a cube. Position it on your canvas, and now right click into the given 3D object, navigate to the 3D effects, and here guys, depending on the type of the 3D object, you will be given the opportunity to adjust the segments number here under the geometry tab. So it doesn't make any sense for a cube, so let me select this sphere here, right click into it, choose 3D effects, and here click into geometry, and here under segments use these up and down buttons to add more segments, horizontal or vertical. You will see the preview below. Click into that checkmark button to assign these changes, and yeah, we can see these changes already here. So let me increase the number of segments to, let's say, 100 plus for vertical. And you can also type in the number, confirm, and that's it. That's almost a perfect sphere geometrically. So guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.